Hey everyone, hope everything is going well. I wanted to look at the markets today, look at over a 5 day span. You see it going up and up and up, right? And I do believe we're in the blow off top phase. I did say that May and June seemed like the top would be there, but I reassessed and I'm like, hey, there was too much fear for there to be a top. That's why I didn't liquidate all my long positions. But that doesn't change my opinion on what's going on in the macro. Now, let me look at the FX markets because I was following that like crazy. As like once the yen weakens, the markets were rallying. This was before I went on vacation. And now just today, the yen rallied, the market spiked. Like how that would have happened a few weeks ago is that, oh, yen rallied, markets tank. What I did notice though, if you look at the dollar index, I think this is one chart I definitely want to take a look at before the markets do tank, right? A lot of people are saying, okay, Dixie index is going to go somewhere between uh, maybe like 92, 94. Beginning of the month, the dollar index or the euro was at like 107 or 108. It's close to 111 now. So what's the actual dollar index? You have to remember most of the dollar index is consisting of the euro. That's about 60%. So let's take a look at like 1 month range. So it's like 104, 104.55. Okay. For this blow off top to occur, I do believe that the dollar index is going to lose ground. And that will pump up all of these assets. I mean, we've seen just recently the moves in, let's take a look at this. You've seen gold, right? Gold has held strong. Silver, I do expect pumping to go on. And a weak dollar, how they say is like, hey, if it costs more dollars basically to buy stocks. So once it's weakened, what happens to stocks? Stocks go up in value. And also they say, oh, well, you have a lower exchange rate and that helps all of these stocks and the S&P 500. Bonds have rallied as well. So this is something to note. Weak dollar is in play. Now, you're not going to have it weaken in a straight line, but I do expect, if the S&P does go higher, which I do expect it will, I expect the dollar weakening to do that. And as this happens, as the dollar weakens, it's going to be more of an excuse, and the markets rally, more of an excuse for me to get out of the market. And I'm not there yet. I'm getting very close. I told you already in what, May and June, or I mean April and May, I liquidated a bunch of my longs in one of the account and then just went to bonds. And I'm getting real close now. I'm getting at the point where I want to be buying put options, and I've slowly added put options. And I think it's going to be a volatile ride, not telling you what to do, but that's where I believe it's headed. Now, I did want to check out lumber prices. So lumber has gone up slightly. You know, when you see lumber going down, that's a red flag. This month has gone up, but it has gone down over let's say the past 6 months, 5, 6 months. So it is what it is. We are seeing cracks in the economy, and I'm slowly getting out of this. Anyways, let me know your thoughts. Talk to you later. See ya. Bye.